Hello, Triple L's. We are ready for language, and I have my vocabulary out with me. Yesterday, we talked about controversy, meaning that there was something that people didn't agree on, so it became a controversy. It became something that was argued about and couldn't decide upon. Today, we're talking about valor. Valor. V-A-L-O-R. Valor. Say it with me. Valor. Definition: personal bravery. The soldier won a medal for valor. Synonym: courage. Antonym: cowardly. I want you to think about that word valor. I want you to think about someone who would show valor, someone who you can display valor, you can show valor, you can demonstrate valor by your actions. So think of even those now that are acting courageously and not cowardly. What would that mean? What would that mean? What would that look like? And those people, now be careful, it's not an adjective. They're not valor. They are showing valor. So it is a noun. It would be like showing bravery. They got a medal for bravery, not for brave. Okay, so make sure you understand that valor is a noun. They are showing bravery. So you show valor, you demonstrate valor. You can't be valor. Okay? All right. Now, we have a couple of sentences I'm going to go over with you. This is page 12. We're still reviewing those prepositions and objects of the preposition. So not anything new. I would encourage you, I'm not going to do the preposition song today, but I would encourage you maybe to go back, listen to it again on one of the previous videos, or do it on your own. Okay, you can pick your jingles today on your own. Pick which ones you want to review. I want you to pick two. Pick two, any of the jingles so far. So either 1 through 8. I want you to pick two and pause me right now and go over those jingles. Did you pause? Come on. Okay, now I'm ready. All right, number 1, let's go over this sentence together. Read it with me. The new neighbors arrived extremely early for the garden party. Who arrived extremely early for the garden party? Neighbors, subject, noun. What is being said about neighbors? Neighbors arrived, verb. Arrived how or when? Let's do when. Arrived when? Early, adverb. How early? Extremely, adverb. Now, because that is talking about another adverb, it's going to be an adverb also. Okay? For, preposition. For what? Whoops, that got put in the wrong place. For, preposition. For what? Party, object of the preposition. What kind of party? Garden, adjective. The, article adjective. Which neighbors? New, adjective. The, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? That means, is it over here? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, now I want you to do something with this page. I want you to find the nouns in every sentence. So we're going to practice how to do a noun check. Remember, there are, so far in the sentences that we have been reviewing, there are only 2 noun jobs. So right now we're looking for subject nouns, and we're also looking for, what's the other noun job? Object of the preposition. So those are the only 2 things we're looking for. Okay, now I'm going to use my highlighter here. You can get a highlighter out, or you can circle with your pencil, but I want you to identify all of the nouns. So let's go through our noun check. Subject, noun, neighbors, yes. Okay, object of the preposition, Party, yes. Are there any other nouns? No, because there's no other noun job. That's a verb. That's an adverb. That's an adjective. They all have a label, okay? These two are noun jobs, so they can be nouns. Okay. Now, I want to look at, this is sentence 5. So if you like to do them in order, you can pause me and go back and do 2, 3, and 4, and then join me for 5. Or you can do this one first. Okay. Actually, I'm going to go down just a little bit. Here we go. Ready? The bright red light from the lighthouse burned brightly for ships on the ocean on foggy nights. What burned brightly for ships on the ocean? Be careful. Light. Subject, noun. What is being said about light? Light burned, verb. We couldn't have light from, right? That doesn't make sense. The light is not doing from. We can't have lighthouse brightly. It has to be light burned. So, burned how? Brightly, adverb. Okay, now let's go back this. What kind of light? Red, adjective. What kind of light? Bright, adjective. The, article, adjective. From, preposition. From what? Lighthouse, object of the preposition. The, article, adjective. For, preposition. For what? Ships, object of the preposition. On, preposition. On what? Let me get that in there. On what? Ocean, object of the preposition. The, article, adjective. On, preposition. On what? Nights, object of the preposition. What kind of nights? Foggy, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, separate the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Is there an adverb up here? No. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Natural, no change. Okay, because from the lighthouse is talking about the light, so all of this is subject related, and all of this is predicate related. Okay, so, oh, what have I been forgetting? You probably caught it. I did not do my prepositional phrases, did I? From the lighthouse, prepositional phrase. For ships, prepositional phrase. On the ocean, prepositional phrase. On foggy nights, prepositional phrase. Whew. Okay, you can go back to number 1 and get those prepositional phrases, can't you? Knew you could. Okay, our 2 jobs we're looking at for the nouns. Subject, noun, object of the preposition. So, subject, noun, light, yes. Object of the preposition, lighthouse, yes. Object of the preposition, ships, yes. Object of the preposition, ocean, yes. Object of the preposition, nights, yes. All of those are nouns. Light, lighthouse, ships, ocean, nights. They're a person, place, or thing, right? Good. Okay, now make sure you have 2, 3, and 4 done. Make sure you have those nouns either circled or highlighted, and you may check this off for the day.